Okay, good morning. Hello, everyone, and thank you for coming here and joining this new venture of ours. My name is Anita Mohan, and I am the director of Atspay Magic Academy. So, we are giving this opportunity to all people who are related to holistics, spiritual healing, spiritual workshops, facilitators, tarot readers, mediums, angel card readers, akashic record readers, anybody who is related to spirituality. So what it is that I'll just explain a little bit so that you people will get a clear picture of what we want and what we will promote and what we will not promote. So it will be like a webinar. So every day, that means every day, in the sense, when I say every day, it is the 3 days: Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. The 3 days we have half an hour each, because you all know Zoom webinars are free only for half an hour. They'll close it after it is half an hour. So since we are not taking money from anybody, we have taken the free webinar sort of thing. So then every person, everyone who books a slot will get 10 minutes. So what you have to do is, during that 10 minutes of your slot, the one which you have booked, you have to talk about the topic you have chosen. Now you cannot talk about something else, book one thing and talk about something else. No, you cannot do that, because this is already arranged. We don't want two people to clash. Okay, because everybody is looking forward to advertising, so we don't want two people to clash. So it will be like one topic which you have booked, you can speak for 10 minutes. And what you need to say is, you can talk about, suppose it is a product, you can talk about your product, you can show your product, you will be on cam, you can show your product, you can talk about your product, you can describe, you can tell people your number to contact you. All that you can do. Now, what you cannot do is, I want to stress on this, what you cannot do is, you cannot look into a book and read. We don't want that kind of presentation. It should be natural. You should look in the cam and you should present your product, whatever it is. If it is a workshop, you have to talk about your workshop, like, this is what I'm going to be teaching in my workshop, this is what you will get, and this is what the workshop is about. This kind of talk it should be. No looking into the book and reading, and no looking into the screen and reading. No, we don't want that. We want natural, somebody who will present their product or service directly, looking straight into the camera. This is what we want. Okay, there is a reason for that. The reason I will explain some other time, but this is what we want. Okay, so you'll choose your spots. I mean your slots. Choose your slots, and about 2 3 days before that, we will send you the link for the Zoom meeting. So then you can also share the link on your Facebook, on your Instagram, on your Twitter, on your WhatsApp groups. You can share, because this is a collective um, effort. Like, everybody needs advertisement, so it is, and we are doing it free. So everybody should benefit from that. Don't be selfish. Everybody has to benefit from it. So we will be doing it that way, and I'm sure you will get a lot more clients once this is become a regular thing. And there is one more thing I wanted to say. Like, there are 3 days of a week. You book for one slot on Monday. Again, Wednesday comes. Wednesday also there is a webinar. So Wednesday, please don't immediately book. Just give some time for people who have not taken the slot. So if there is nobody, then definitely you can book. You can just request, like, I would like that. If nobody is taking that spot, I would like that. You can say that, and we will give you preference. If nobody is booking, the first one who had requested for that slot will get it. So that kind of deal we can do, because we want everybody to get a slot. So just if you have one slot in the previous day, just wait for the next day. If it is not filled until the last minute, then anybody can take it. Whoever comes first can take it. That sort of thing. Okay, I hope I have made everything very clear. And if there is any doubt, please, you can post a WhatsApp voice message also in the group, and we'll try to answer. You can ask in Hindi also, and we will answer. Vidutji will be happy to answer. And okay, the talk also, you don't need to do it in English. You can do it in Hindi also. You can explain your product, you can explain your service, you can explain about your workshop in Hindi also, because we are all, after all, Indians. Everybody understands Hindi. There is no compulsory rule that you have to speak in English. You can speak in Hindi also. Thank you, everyone, and I hope everyone benefits from this.